What's a lion say?
Bah.
What's a sheep say?
Bah.
What's a crocodile say? Chomp, chomp, chomp. What's a cow say?
Boo.
What's a dog say? Do you remember what a horse says?
Mama.
No.
Bah. Nin.
Neigh.
Nin.
Neigh. Can you show me turtle? Yes, I know you love yourself. Good kissing. Can you show me turtle? Turtle. Can you show me giraffe? Giraffe. Can you show me horsey? Remember, like this. Horsey. Horsey. What about bird? That's horsey. Your hand up by your head. It's tricky. Well, bird. You want mommy to do it? Horsey. Horsey. Can you do bird? Tweet, tweet, tweet. What about duck? What other animals do I know? Cat. Yeah. Meow. Meow. Good job.